everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will be making curry puffs. For the ingredients you can refer to the comments below. Put the butter and the oil into a pot. Sieve all the dry ingredients so that there are no lumps of flour in the mixture. Heat and melt the butter and bring the mixture to a boil and immediately turn off the heat. Pour the heated oil into the flour mixture, and it is very hot, so be careful and use a spatula to mix first, and later you can use your hands. Add in the cold water and stir until to combine. Once it's all mixed through, you can use your hands and knead it into a smooth dough. Keep kneading until it's smooth. Cover the dough so that it doesn't dry out, and rest the dough for 30 minutes. Divide the dough into balls that weigh 30 grams each. Same as before, cover them so that they don't dry out. Today we are making chicken and potato curry puffs, but you can use any other filling that you prefer. Roll out the dough into a bigger circle. Place the filling into the center of the dough and fold to seal. Fold and pinch to make beautiful patterns. Now all that's left to do is fry. Fry on medium-low heat and continuously keep turning it so that you don't burn it. These curry puffs are really delicious with a crispy skin on the outside and spicy filling on the inside. Thanks for watching, and we hope you like it.